Right, so Disco's here, back on the ramp again as usual. Just having checks. So anyway, this is like a roundup of all the videos now. That is done, or nearly done. They're never done. So might as well have a quick talk. That's done about 1,000 miles now because I know I had to go right up north and back, and I've pretty much been using it most days. So there's a couple of daft bits I need to do. The front arms, the bolts keep coming loose on them, and I think it's just because of all the paint and stuff I put on the chassis, and they just keep knocking the paint off and moving about, so they keep clunking about. So I've got it on the ramp. I'm going to do a full check over yet again, all the nuts and bolts, and just quick go over. But apart from that, it's been going really well. So we might as well jump into cost. Let's do the overall cost for me on this. Let's hope the ex-wife doesn't see it because she'll want some more money out of me. £5 grand, or a little bit over probably, in fact. That's what it's cost me to do that. And you might sit and go, no chance, no chance, but do a quick one. Chassis was 2,600 or something like that, 2,600 or 2,700 with a bolt kit I got with it. And then what else did I do? I spent a good 1,300 quid on bits. So that was like, I mean, I went over the top, from fuel filter housings to steering lines, fuel regulator. Clutch was 250, tyres. Tyres were 400 quid, and discs, pads, yeah. So I went over the top. Paint, I think I spent a good couple of £100 just on paint. It was easy actually. Buzzweld, I spent 130 the first go around, and then I spent some more for some more bits when I did the bumper and everything else. So yeah, that's what it's cost me. That's what it's cost me. So yeah, that's it. Yeah. Was it worth it? Yeah, we'll be honest, straight out, yeah. For me it was, and that's literally because that's future-proof, that I'm keeping it. It's not going anywhere. I know I've got 10 years out that easy, so I'm happy with that, you know. Now, if I'd spent £3 on it in the first place and then had to replace the chassis and spend another whatever, then yeah, I'd seriously question it. I questioned it when I was doing the welding the body up, but from all the Discos I've bought, sold, scrapped, stripped, they're all at that stage now. They all need welding, so it makes no odds on what you buy because they're all going to need it very shortly, if not already need it. So yeah, I was a little bit upset that I had to do loads of welding to it, but it's done now, and it's all been done in 2mm, and it's a really good job. So loads of paint on it. So again, fingers crossed, it's going to last me some time. What we got now? Time-wise, it took me a little over a month. That was obviously, I had to do a good 4 days welding on it, painting more and everything else. So yeah, it took me that. I had a few days where I think I did 4 days on the trot on it, and then obviously working in between and weekends. So yeah, a month. Probably do it quicker if you know, there's a couple of you, like I say, rolling stuff out, just literally bolting stuff back in and throwing it back under. So I reckon 3 to 4 days you want on it. What else should I talk about? The chassis, the Mayer chassis. Everything worked out really well, to be fair. Nothing untoward on it, everything lined up. I was quite impressed with it, everything was really good. I had a few issues with the body mount bushes, but I think that was just literally because my old chassis was that twisted, knackered and everything else. Some bushes were 15mm, some were 5mm, they were, yeah, all over the place. So I think in general that was what the issue was. Recommendations on stuff, Buzzweld, yeah, that seems really good paint, quite impressed with that. Foundry 4x4, they're really good. If you need any bits, yeah, obviously they're local to me, so I can just go pick stuff up. But usually got everything in. And Maltings, I got everything else from Maltings between them two. So yeah, everything was really good. Pretty much happy with it. There's a few things I'm going to be changing on it yet again. One being roof rack. I'm going to try and get a bit of a lighter aluminium one. Still got to finish these off. These are the side steps I made, rock sliders. So I'm just on, the brackets don't quite fit, so one iron hole to the back brackets, and then I'll give them a paint up. What else have I got? I think that's about it, to be honest. I want to make a back bumper for it and a couple of little bits and bobs. But generally, I think, yeah, I think that's it. She goes, she runs, she stops. So there's never not a project, or you're never not doing something to them. So yeah, at least no more welding. So thank you very much for watching. I know Marshy's, like I say, Marshy's got some videos coming out next, and then I know we've got a lot of track days coming up, so it'll be good to see. So see you later.